Hello all, welcome to Pragmatic. Today I am going to demonstrate the Pragtech student transportation. So first of all install this module. After installation going to that particular student transportation module. So this is the overall view of the student transportation management. So they have a student attendance, trip plan, student registration, registered students and WhatsApp and also the configuration. First of all, I am going to the configuration. In configuration, but they have a students menu, so we can to add the student details directly to here. So the name and the personal details, contact mail addresses, and also we can to add the guardian details also. And next I'm going to the class, so we can to add multiple types of classes, like we can to add, and also we can to add the sections. And next we can to add the route plan, so we can to add the route plan like here, the route A to route B, so we can to add the from location and to location. And next the vehicle, so we can also create the vehicles directly to here. The model name we can to add, then the license price we can to add here, and also the total seats capacity we can to add. So the total seat occupied, this will be showing to here, and total seats remaining also we can to show into here. And also we can to add the owner name, email, contact also we can to add. And at last here the current registered students and expired registered students are showing to here. And next I'm going to the driver, so we can to create directly is a driver. So when creating the driver, the partner also we can to create it, and user also the particular driver user will be created. And also we can to set the payment time like cemeterial, monthly, quarterly, yearly we can to set here. And also the student's location is nothing but we can to entering the student's location, that will be automatically come to here. And next I'm going to the trip plan, so we can to add the trip plan directly to here. First of all, adding the trip name, and we can to select the trip route plan, so that time the route from location to location pickup will be automatically come. And we can to add the pickup time and drop time. And also we can to add the trip amount monthly wise we can to add here. And also we can to add the vehicle details. And next I'm going to the student registration part, so we can to see here. I'm going to create a new student registration part, so I'm going to add the particular student Vidya Vivek. So when selecting the roll number, that time the student name, class name, section name will be automatically come. And also we can to add the trip plan, so that time the trip amount will be automatically come. And this is the registration start date. And also we can to select the payment time, so we can select the payment time, so that time next invoice date will be automatically come. And I'm going to save this record and generate vehicle details, so that time this trip plan instead all vehicles are showing to here. And also we can to add the trip location and drop location we can to directly add here. And after that we can to create the invoices. So when click the create invoices, that time the scheduled invoices we can to see the invoices. So we can first of all we can pay this invoice, then only we can to register that particular student. So after payment will be created, so that time the register button will be showing. So when I click to register, that time the student will be registered. So we can see in the registered student that particular Vidya Vivek will be registered. So next part is I'm going to the student attendance. So this is the student attendance table, so we can to select that particular student trip plan, so that time the pickup time, drop time all are will be automatically come. And also we can to select that particular vehicle. And autofill, click the autofill student, that particular trip all students are showing to here. And when you complete, that time that particular parent have to send the WhatsApp message, the student will be safely reached. So that, because before that we can to set up that particular WhatsApp instance. So here you can see I'm already set up the WhatsApp instance, and I'm going to test connection. So the connection will be completed. And also we can to select that particular import the templates, After that, we can to select that particular templates directly to here. And next, I'm going to the attendance complete. So before completing that particular trip, the attendance is mandatory. So we can to select present or absent directly to here. So the absent students not sending that particular message. Only present students are sending to the WhatsApp message for that particular guardian. So I'm going to complete. So the message will be showing to like here, dear Ashokan, the student will be reached in the destination safely in the 2 p.m. Thank you. So this is the message, and they have a invoice reminder and automatic invoice section also. So I will show that. So there are two schedule action are there: create invoice automatically. This is mean so when a particular next invoice date is matched into the current date, so that time that invoice will be automatically created, and next schedule action will be the invoice reminder. So I will show that. So this is the reminder of for invoice. That is nothing but if any payment is not paid, so that time that particular student parent can send the message the invoice will be not paid. That's why. So this is the overall view of students transportation. Thank you.